Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in our last video, I showed you a bunch of the new parts for both the Fusion and the Camaro. We actually got a bunch of the parts back here, the side skirts, underglow, all that good stuff. But today we're going to be messing with the spoiler for the Camaro, the Z28 style spoiler. And I'm actually really excited, and I have Yvette here to help me out with the install.
I'm so excited.
And now both cars on the channel have upgraded taillights. We have these Porsche style taillights for the Fusion with the building block animation, and then the Camaro has the Technostalgia LED taillight conversion with the afterburner effect. Really big upgrade from stock. So this is everything that comes in the kit. You have the spoiler itself, excuse the finger marks. Don't worry, this will be painted further down the road, but as of right now, we basically just want to install it. It has the worker bill extension and then all the hardware and whatnot. But first order of business is remove this stock spoiler. I am hoping this is a direct bolt-on replacement, because if it's not, then we have our work cut out for us. But if it is, then we should be able to knock this out in a couple minutes.
Even I can do it.
Yeah, even Yvette can do it.
Ideally.
If it's a direct bolt-on replacement, I'll have Yvette do it. So these little caps right here, actually where the bolts for the spoiler is, and you can see these line up actually spot on. So I think it should be a direct bolt-on replacement. So the only thing we're actually afraid of is that if we drop it, it basically gets lost inside the trunk itself, because you really can't reach that. It's gonna be super finicky, and it's just such a tight fit that if you lose one of these, you're probably not getting it out, and you'll probably end up hearing a rattle left and right. It is gross and gunky and but this is a pretty momentous occasion, because this spoiler has been on the car ever since it was from the factory, actually. So it's been on the car its entire life. Now we get a nice little upgrade.
Where are you gonna put it now?
I don't know, I might keep it in my room somewhere. Alright, we cleaned up a little bit and we went on a little boba break. So now we can actually get to mocking it up and installing it. It's gonna sit like that on the car. That looks really good. It has a nice duckbill look, but it's also more performance oriented look, like the Z28 style. Then we still have the wicker bill to add on. But I think what I might end up doing is to go ahead and black out the car in terms of the emblems and the little chrome pieces. Side markers as well, but that's further down the road. So we're able to get the two screws at the end in. It is new hardware, and it has this little Phillips head bit to tighten it real easy. So it is a direct bolt-on replacement. We were able to also get the little padding underneath. All we really need to do now is use the last bit of screws, tighten everything up, and then we can put the wicker on. So we got all 6 of them in. They're not super tight, but they're just tight enough to hold it in position. It's not going anywhere. But we were really worried because these screws are really deep in there, and if you lose that, it's gonna be stuck in the actual trunk itself. Yvette very nicely found this magnetic tip screwdriver. It's been chewed up by the dogs, but
It works.
it basically saved the day. My question is, how was I gonna do this without you the entire time?
I don't know, man. I literally saved the day with the screwdriver.
You really did.
Last one.
Last one. Thank you. And that's it.
She's
Done.
done.
Alright guys, so here it is, the new Z28 style spoiler on the Camaro. Has the wicker bill extension, and it came out really good. I really do like this gloss black finish on the extension. So we are going to carry that into the rest of the car. So I'm going to black out these little trim bezels right here, as well as the emblem and the SS emblem. Probably the side markers again as well, but I think it looks really good. So again, remember, this is still yet to be painted, so this isn't the final look of the car. We're going to get rid of the stripes, but as of right now, basically just getting the spoiler on there was the goal. So we have a new spoiler, and we have new taillights. So this car is already looking a lot different. It looks really, really good. Again, still needs to be painted, so don't really grill me on that yet, but that's gonna be further down the road. We still have the entire front end to address and the interior, so there's still a lot more to do, but nonetheless, we're getting to it slowly and steadily. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one.